Hey everybody, welcome to Techie World. Today, we're gonna go over 10 smart home inventions you must have in 2021. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing inventions I've ever seen. If you're on a mission to make sure you have the most up-to-date home, don't stop with decorating. Having the right tech gadgets can make all the difference too. From a cool light bulbs to smartest radiator valve and the newest home vacuum cleaner, these won't disappoint. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The new line of LED light bulbs from GE, simply called C, can be directly controlled with a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, no central hub necessary. There are two types of bulbs in the C line. The C Life is an all-purpose light perfect for the kitchen, living room, or office. The C Sleep bulb has been designed to support the body's natural circadian rhythms, which can help you sleep more soundly. It emits a traditional soft light for the day, a warm, calming light before bedtime, and a crisp, energizing light in the morning. Using an app, the lights can be dimmed and set to a timer as a group or individually. When run for 3 hours a day, the bulbs should last 20 years. You can start thinking about replacing lights in your new workshop area with LED lights. A flat panel TV looks great on the wall, but all those wires leading to it don't. If there's an outlet near the TV cable organizer kit lets you get power and digital cable up to your TV invisibly. Cluttered AV cables can be hidden behind the wall, and power can be installed at the location of the flat panel TV. Use this flat panel TV cable organizer kit with power to install power and low voltage cables from behind your flat panel TV, your amplifier, or other audio and video devices to your equipment room. The outlet and plug are pre-wired. Just cut a hole near the TV and another below it in the same stud cavity. Then drop the pre-wired unit and signal cables down from the top opening. The flat panel TV cable organizer kit with power solution can be installed upright or upside down. A UV lamp is a germicidal electric light that produces ultraviolet C UVC light. This shortwave ultraviolet light disrupts DNA base pairing, causing the formation of pyrimidine dimers and leads to an inactivation of the bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, which makes your home or office buildings a much healthier place. How does it work? Using the UV sterilizer light with a high transmission rate with 360 degrees wider beam angle, it detects the presence of people or animals around it and kills the harmful guests around who aren't visible to our naked eyes. And the add-on is the gadget completely removes odors and dust particles, which effectively improves your living environment. UV light can have an efficient inactivation of bacteria up to a distance of 8 feet on either side and an exposure time of 30 minutes, and the lamp should be replaced once a year. The smart lamp produces visible light past 10,000 hours, and the UV output decreases over time. If you think you can pop an off-the-shelf LED bulb into a recessed fixture, think again. It may not survive the heat buildup in a small space, plus it may not provide the same beam pattern or color as your current bulb. So if you're serious about reducing your electric bill, look for a retrofit module made especially for recessed lights. The Halo RL560, for example, fits most existing 5-inch or 6-inch housings. Just screw the threaded adapter into the existing socket, connect the ground wire, and snap in the module. The RL560 uses 10 watts and provides 600 lumens, 65 watt equivalent. Estimated life is 50,000 hours. It's rated for damp and wet locations and is dimmable. Find the module at home centers, lighting showrooms, and online. It's available in white or a satin nickel finish. Smart thermostats only let you control your whole house, but here at Novo, we think that doesn't make sense. After all, why should your bedroom be the same temperature as your living room when you're not using it? Why not be able to control all your rooms individually and see the temperature and humidity in each? So here at Novo, we came up with our smart radiator valve. Novo Inventions, based in the UK, has created a new smart radiator valves allowing you to control your home central heating system more accurately than just using a smart thermostat. The Novo smart radiator valves allow you to control individual rooms and include a companion application enabling remote access and adjustments to be made even while you're not at home. Robotic vacuum cleaners, often referred to as Roomba, is an intelligently programmed smart gadgets and limited vacuum floor cleaning system. It's manually operated via remote control with a self-drive mode which allows the machine to clean autonomously without human control. These robotic vacuum cleaners are compact and will not take up too much additional space in your home and provides you with more time to do the things you enjoy the most unless your thing is vacuuming. Some robotic vacuum cleaners use spinning brushes to reach tight corners. Some high-end and expensive ones include cleaning features along with mopping features. Roombas would be a great addition to your home cleaning arsenal. Try it. Most furnaces and heat pumps run the air conditioning blower motor at a fixed speed regardless of the conditions inside your home. But the QwikSEER WattSaver add-on controller board makes your AC system more efficient by running the blower motor at the optimal speed to match the temperature and humidity levels in your home. It's proven to save at least 10% on your annual AC bill. You can install the unit yourself if you can follow an electrical schematic and feel comfortable cutting a small hole in the sheet metal plenum to mount a sensor on the evaporator coil. Don't want to do it yourself? An HVAC Pro can do it in less than an hour. The QwikSEER WattSaver pays for itself in about 2 years, depending on your AC usage and the electric rates in your area. This power and data port is a neat and convenient way to provide a computer plug-in spot on your desk. The port rotates inside its housing, so you can instantly flip it open to plug in or close it for a clean, uncluttered look. And no more reaching behind your desk to plug into a wall receptacle. The downside is that you have to cut a big hole more than 4 inches in diameter in your desktop. There are 2 versions, one with outlets and Ethernet ports, the other with outlets and USB ports. CCTV Surveillance Kit. What an important thing to have. And by this, we mean closed-circuit television, CCTV, and wireless security cameras, WSC. CCTVs are wired and are mostly set outside of the houses to monitor the behavior or any activities of a person, group, or object for security purposes. You can observe the activities from a distance by the means of electronic gadgets like mobile phones and computers, etc. CCTVs make use of video cameras to transmit a signal to a specific place on a limited set of screens. It employs point-to-point or points-to-multipoint linked with wires. WSCs are closed-circuit cameras that transmit video and audio signals to a wireless receiver through a radio band. These cameras require at least one cable or wire to power and are battery-powered, which makes them truly wireless from top to bottom. An air purifier or air cleaner is a coolest smart gadgets device that removes contaminants from the air in a room to improve air quality. These are commonly marketed as being beneficial to allergy sufferers and asthmatics and also reducing or eliminating secondhand tobacco smoke. Air purifiers are functioned to trap the airborne particles by size exclusion. Then the air is forced through a filter and particles are physically captured by the filters, making the air clean and healthy. They're manufactured in 2 units, a small standalone unit and a large unit. Basically, the smaller units are used for domestic purposes, while the larger units are used for medical and industrial uses, and so on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the following videos here.